everyone, welcome to Hilltop View Journals. Today I'm going to do a quick flip through of a journal I recently made, which is going to be gifted for Christmas. It's to a very good friend of mine who is a keen gardener. I've used the Craft in a Garden story kits by RachandBella Crafts and Angela Kerr, and this is I think it's a Midori style journal in that it's got elasticated bindings so that my friend can take the pages out and I can add additional pages as and when she requires. She recently got an allotment, so I'm hoping that she will keep her memoirs of that special place in this journal and any notes and everything she has to make as part of her wonderful hobby. So I will do a quick flip through. If there's anything of note, I will come back on and speak. But other than that, I'll put some nice music on as I go through the flip through. Let's have a look now. So the journal cover is made from corrugated boxes. So it's really, really chunky and sturdy, which I'm hoping will last the test of time. Very simple front cover. I've covered the spine with this is wallpaper and some material here, so hopefully that'll give it a little bit of durability. Very simple closure here with a string, and then as we open it out, I've kept this very plain. Didn't want to do too much to this because it is supposed to be a sort of not a dainty journal for sure. I've got a smaller little notebook here with some dried flowers and a library card there, and just a nice gift card to my friend. So that can go in there. That's just a simple belly band. And I've got some seeds in here then. And if you're in the UK, this company is called She Grows Veg. I will put a link to the shop in the description box. And here I have done just a sort of specimen window there, and then the rest of this then is largely RachandBella Crafts and Angela Kerr's designs, but I have used a little bit of my own stash as well from other artists. But if you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments box and I'll do the best I can to answer them. All the little clusters and things I've made from scraps.
Of white and grey behind an empty space, can't always tell what you're thinking, but now it ain't the same. On and on we said with us forever.
So there's plenty of writing space in the journal, plenty of places just to scribble along and enjoy the note-taking process and journaling.
Now you don't talk and I won't listen.
And as you can see here are the elastics. So it's a 2 signature, so my friend can just quite easily slip the pages in and out, and I can replace them as and when she needs. And she may want, you know, different types of papers to make her notes. She may not want to use the ones that are decorated, so I've given her that option, and hopefully she'll be able to use this and just enjoy the just enjoy her allotment, and maybe add in some photos and notes and things. So thanks for watching. This is a very quick flip through. It's Christmas time and I need to dash off to town, and I've got loads of cards to deliver. So yeah, I'm running a bit late with my Christmas my Christmas plans anyway. So hope you enjoyed this. Please do leave any comments and queries and feedback, and I'll see you soon. See you for now. Bye bye.